In this video, I'm going to explain those basic rules behind the hero and the coward model. So basically, this is a game. Inside this game, we can set a specific number of agents or people who are playing the game. For example, say we have 68 agents, and we can set all the agents to be heroes or cowards or half heroes, half cowards. And if one agent is a hero, then that agent will try to stand between his friend and his enemy. And the friend and the enemy can be randomly chosen among any two of the other agents. And if one of the agents is a coward, then that coward will try to stand behind his friend and trying to stay away from his enemy. That is the rule for coward and the hero model. Let's have a look. Say we create 86 agents and we make all the agents to be heroes. In this way, all the agents are blue, and for every agent, they will choose a friend and an enemy. But you don't have to tell everybody else who is your friend, who is your enemy, so we don't show it by color. And then the agent will choose to stand between his friend and his enemy because he's a hero, so he's trying to keep the enemy away from his friend. But everybody in this world are heroes, so they're trying to behave in the same way, trying to stand between his friend and enemy. And we will see what happens. Everybody are moving towards the middle because they're trying to stay in the between the friend and enemy. So everybody is moving towards the center. However, if we make everybody become coward, everybody become red, and each agent will choose a friend and an enemy and trying to stay behind the friend and stay away from the enemy. So what will happen? Everybody trying to stay away. Everybody is moving towards the borders of the world. And the way the outcome turned out depends on the initial condition. So if we randomly choose a initial condition, what we get is a different states. For example, we can make the coward and the hero to be 50-50. So we have half agent to be red and half agent to be blue. And then we can run the model again. So each time we set up, we get a different ending result. Why is that? That is because every time we set up, we have a different initial condition. So the final outcome becomes different. Therefore, if we can capture the specific initial conditions, we can capture specific outcome. For example, we have a specific initial condition named the dots. And when we run it, that's what we get. Every time we do it, that's exactly what we get. If we use an initial condition called frozen, every time we run it, we get the same outcome. Slinky, Slinky 2. spiral, spiral, spiral 2. The reason why we can repeat the final outcome is due to we use the same initial condition.